To a primetime news follow-up now. The displaced victims of Friday night's fire at Jamaica National Children's Home are still coming to terms with the losses from the blaze. Despite this, we are told that they are transitioning well to their temporary accommodation at the Homestead Place of Safety. The Minister with responsibility for youth, Karl Samuda, gave an update.
Try to forget the past. Try to overlook the things that have been done to you that you don't like. And try to have a positive outlook on life.
Minister with portfolio responsibility for the Youth Ministry, Karl Samuda, addressing displaced wards from the Jamaica National Children's Home in Papine, St. Andrew. Following Friday night's fire, all 41 children were temporarily relocated to the Homestead Place of Safety. Head of the Homestead Place of Safety, Newton Douglas, says measures were immediately put in place to provide for their needs, including keeping them all together.
Because that's part of working with helping them with the transition, with what has happened to them. We have brought them to this location to work with them. So we have our counselors here, our psychologist team here that has been working with them, and there are other friends of the home has been working with them since last night during the course of today. And we will continue to work with them to ensure that one, they recover and that they also gain some measure of resiliency moving forward.
These immediate measures to assist the wards were spearheaded by the Youth Ministry. The Homestead Place of Safety, which was recently renovated, was made available as the intended occupants had not moved in as yet. Mr. Samuda visited the facility and spoke with the children and workers on the weekend.
The children, they are in good spirits. And they have a positive outlook. And I think that they are encouraged by the instant response of the ministry, the officials within the ministry, the leadership that has been able to facilitate them, to provide for their welfare, provide for adequate meals, and making all those arrangements. I am comforted in the knowledge that they are getting the best care that they can under the circumstances.
It's still not clear what caused the fire at the Jamaica National Children's Home. The entire second floor was gutted. While everyone is happy there was no injury or fatality, the children have lost almost everything and are now in dire need of basic things, including personal items. Help has been coming in, but there is still need for a lot more.
And for persons who wishing to donate can take items to the Jamaica National Children's Home, 7 Golden Avenue. We will then work it from there.
Herman Green, TVJ News.